Have you ever wondered if one small habit at breakfast could make a bigger difference than you think? If you're over 60, the answer might be sitting on your plate every single morning. For many people, eggs are a breakfast favorite. They're quick to make, affordable, and satisfying. But here's something that often gets overlooked. The egg itself usually isn't the problem. It's the way we cook it. And one simple change could help you enjoy the same breakfast, while making it a better choice for your overall health. Stay with me because, in just a moment, I'll explain why this matters and reveal a healthier way to prepare eggs that doesn't mean giving them up. Welcome to Vita Signal 60. This is the place where we share practical, science-informed tips to help adults over 60 stay healthy, active, and independent. If that's the kind of information you're looking for, make sure you subscribe and join our growing community. Now let's take a closer look. For decades, eggs were caught in the middle of a nutrition debate. Many people believed they should avoid them because of cholesterol. As a result, countless adults stopped eating one of nature's most nutritious foods. Today, the conversation is much more balanced. Current nutrition research suggests that, for many healthy adults, eggs can absolutely be part of a healthy eating pattern. That's good news because eggs offer far more than most people realize. They're one of the highest quality sources of protein you can find. And after the age of 60, getting enough protein becomes more important than ever. As we grow older, our bodies naturally begin to lose muscle. This gradual loss can make everyday activities feel more challenging over time. Simple tasks like carrying groceries, climbing stairs, or getting up from a chair may require more effort than they once did. That's why including enough protein throughout the day can help support muscle maintenance and everyday strength. Eggs also provide several nutrients your body continues to need as you age. They contain vitamin B12, which supports healthy nerve function, vitamin D, which plays an important role in bone health, selenium, an essential mineral that helps protect your body's cells, and choline, a nutrient that supports normal brain function. When you look at everything eggs have to offer, it becomes clear that they deserve a place in many healthy diets. So if eggs aren't usually the problem, what is? The answer often begins with the frying pan. Many people cook their eggs over very high heat, using generous amounts of butter, bacon grease, or cooking oil. While that may create a rich flavor, it can also add extra saturated fat and unnecessary calories to an otherwise nutritious food. There's another detail that's easy to overlook. Fried eggs are often served with bacon, sausage, fried potatoes, and white toast. Individually, these foods can certainly fit into an overall balanced diet from time to time. But when they're combined into the same breakfast every day, the meal may become much higher in sodium, refined carbohydrates, and saturated fat than many people realize. The good news is that improving your breakfast doesn't require giving up eggs. In fact, the solution is much simpler than most people expect. Now that we know the egg usually isn't the problem, let's talk about what you can do instead. The good news is that you don't have to give up one of your favorite breakfasts. Sometimes the healthiest change is also the simplest one. One of the best ways to cook eggs after 60 is by poaching them. Poached eggs are gently cooked in water instead of oil or butter. That means you can enjoy the same high-quality protein without adding extra fat during cooking. They're light, satisfying, and surprisingly easy to make once you've tried them a few times. Another excellent option is a soft-boiled egg. Takes only a few minutes to prepare. The texture stays tender and flavorful, and it pairs well with whole grain toast or a fresh salad. If scrambled eggs are your favorite, there's no need to stop eating them. Instead, try cooking them over low heat. Use a small amount of extra virgin olive oil or avocado oil, rather than a large amount of butter. Cooking slowly helps keep the eggs soft while reducing excessive browning that can happen with very high heat. Remember, the goal isn't to make every meal perfect. The goal is simply to make small improvements that are easy to repeat. Healthy habits don't have to be complicated. They just have to be consistent. But there's another step that can make your breakfast even better. It's not only about how you cook your eggs. It's also about what you serve with them. A balanced breakfast starts with protein. Eggs do that very well. Next, add colorful vegetables like spinach, tomatoes, mushrooms, or bell peppers. These foods provide vitamins, minerals, and fiber that support overall health. Then include a source of whole grains. A slice of whole grain toast or a bowl of oatmeal can help add fiber that keeps you feeling full longer. Finally, finish your meal with fresh fruit. Berries, apples, oranges, or even a handful of grapes can add natural sweetness along with valuable nutrients. An easy way to remember this is the three-part breakfast formula. First, include a quality source of protein. Second, add a fiber-rich food. Third, include colorful fruits or vegetables. It's a simple approach that helps create a more balanced meal without making breakfast complicated. Healthy aging isn't about following strict diets or giving up the foods you enjoy. It's about making thoughtful choices that you can continue for years. One healthier breakfast probably won't change your life overnight. But making a better choice several mornings each week can become a lasting habit. Those small habits often add up more than we realize. So, if you're over 60, there's no reason to stop eating eggs. Instead of asking whether eggs are healthy, ask whether you're preparing them in the healthiest way for you. A small change in your cooking method could help you enjoy the same delicious breakfast while supporting your long-term wellness. Sometimes it's the smallest adjustments that make the biggest difference over time. If you found today's video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to VitaSignal 60 for more practical science informed healthy aging tips every day. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Now we'd love to hear from you. How do you usually cook your eggs? After watching this video, would you be willing to try poached, soft-boiled, or gently scrambled eggs? Share your answer in the comments below. Your experience might inspire someone else to make a healthier choice. Take good care of yourself, and we'll see you in the next video.